The setup. In the sleepy seaside town of Bracklesea, where the seagulls sang off-key and the fish and chip shops closed at 4 p.m. sharp, the only excitement was the annual Rubber Duck Regatta. Every summer, 10,000 rubber ducks were released into the harbor to race for charity. But in 1997, disaster struck. The ducks vanished overnight. Enter Mildred Midge Mallow, a 67-year-old retired librarian with a hip replacement and a vendetta against seagulls. Midge discovered the crime when her morning stroll was interrupted by a lone duck floating in a puddle, its tiny sailor hat askew. "This," Midge declared to her skeptical corgi Biscuit, "is foul play." The crew Midge assembled a team of misfits. Clive, a washed-up magician whose only trick was making his ex-wife disappear. She'd moved to Leeds. Doris, a punk rock granny who brewed illegal elderflower wine in her bathtub. Kevin, a teenage conspiracy theorist convinced the ducks were government surveillance drones. Their plan? Infiltrate the town council's annual lobster quadrille ball, where Mayor Thistlethwaite, a man with a waxed mustache and a suspicious love of poultry, would surely crack under pressure. The heist disguised as a mariachi band, Biscuit wore a sombrero. The crew crashed the ball. Midge distracted the mayor with a tango. Clive accidentally set the punch bowl on fire, and Doris swiped the key to the duck vault, a shed behind the pier. Inside, they found the ducks, and the mayor's secret. He'd replaced them with robot ducks to rig the regatta and embezzle the charity funds. "You monster!" Midge hissed. "Real ducks have soul!" The showdown. A chaotic chase ensued. Robot ducks fired breadcrumb lasers. Biscuit herded them into Doris's wine-filled bathtub. Clive magicked the mayor's trousers into a pair of inflatable lobsters. In the end, the real ducks were rescued from a hidden compartment in the mayor's vintage ice cream truck. The regatta went ahead, and Midge's duck, Sir Quackington, won by a flipper. Epilogue. The mayor was sentenced to community service, knitting sweaters for feral cats. Midge and Biscuit retired to a life of beachside espionage, ever vigilant against aquatic crime.